We at Euro Limited would like to thank you for buying our product. To help you with your project, we have prepared this video. We hope this will answer your questions and make your project go smoothly. The Easy Drill Jig is an ideal tool for the individual user. It is constructed of polycarbonate plastic, the same material used in jet aircraft canopy. The tool is provided with drill point starting locations for most popular brands of concealed hinges. To determine which drill bit start point to use, we insert a hinge into the large hole of the jig. While the hinge is inserted, drill through the jig at the locations with a 9/64 drill bit. Remove the hinge from the jig and measure the distance between the arm and the cup as shown. Make a reference line on the door to be drilled in this same distance. Now placing the jig on the door to be drilled so the screw heads catch the edge of the door, and holding the jig against a square, adjust the screws until the large hole in the jig touches the reference line. We have now set up the Easy Drill jig to match the hinge we are using. On the door to be drilled, make a center of hinge reference line in from the ends of the door. Place the jig on the door with the V notch centered on the line, and attach the jig to the door through the 9/64 holes previously drilled. Attach with the screws that are provided with the hinge. Place a 1 3/8 inch Forstner bit in the large hole and drill until the bit is flush with the top surface of the Easy Drill jig. Remove the bit from the jig and remove the jig from the door. Continue to drill hole in door until the top surface of the bit is flush with the door surface. Install the hinge using the screws that are provided with the hinge. Center of hinge reference lines are required to position the jig for drilling for hinge mounting plates. To get the required center of hinge information, we measure the door previously drilled and transfer those measurements to the cabinet. A reference line is drawn at each location. The Easy Drill jig has two sets of holes for mounting plate installation. The holes marked O are for overlay applications or for doors that are outside the box, and the holes marked I are for inset doors or for doors that are inside the box. Choose which holes are needed and place the jig's fence against the face of the cabinet and center the V notch on the line. Drill for screws with the number 5 fix bit and install the mounting plate.